Okay, it's gonna learn some Haskell. Gonna start with some setup. Right now I need to figure out how to get the language server working. I already have it installed, I'm pretty sure. I can check. Uh, right, it's already installed, so that's good. Let's take a look at this real quick. There should be something for Haskell, probably. Go HLS. Yep. Oh, that's why. HLS. That's sandbox. What was it? HS. Yeah, HS. GHCI. Alright, can do that later, I guess. GHCI. 6 plus 3, power 2, times 4. Yeah, that works. Just take 10, filter even. Wait, this is so intuitive. Oops. Even numbers after it. Take 10. Okay, so the range is inclusive. I'm surprised that syntax works. Okay, let's see. Is it the thing for? Wait, this is actually pretty intuitive. What the heck? Oh, okay, got it. So, main do put Sterling. Hello. Put Sterling. Save odd nums. Okay, fairly concatenation. Show filter odd. 10, 20. Okay, now we got pilot. How do we compile GHC hello? Oh wait. Linking main. Didn't run it. Cool. Alright, I'll figure that out later. There you go. GHCI main. Oh, that's cool. It's kind of like, oh, that's Discord subreddit and IRC. So this is what basic Haskell is like. Gotta figure out how much this is to. What's it called again? Like hold shift with, yeah, 4. Set shift with, yeah, how much is it? It's 4. Alright, well I guess gotta set 2. Yeah, I don't have that anymore. Let's see. Alua. Oh. Wait, no, it's in after. Yeah. CD after FT plugin HS Lua. HTML open. Let's look at that. Alright, let's quit. Main.high. Let's remove that. Main equals do. Certainly. Man, this kind of weird box. Okay. Let's get out. Wait, alright. Import declaration or top level. Alright, so that's really. Let's look at what I can find. Some Haskell Vim scripts. See, started writing Vim with Haskell. Reveal inline types. Let's see. I believe that's it. No, nothing with plugins. CD after a key plugin. Yeah, it understands that it's Haskell. Or maybe it doesn't understand because I put HSTO, right? Haskell. Get HTML open real quick. Alright, and then we quit. We'll reload this stuff. Put Sterling high. And finally, there we go. Okay, now we can keep. Alright. So, did not get to do that. Here, let's get Haskell.org. Get started. Let's grab a book. Learn your Haskell for great good by building a blog generator. Sure, let's go for this. Let's turn this off. There we go. It's actively maintained. Cool. Tiny printer library. Oh, there's a lot of stuff. Okay, let's do that. $200 pages. It'll be design patterns, testing, documentation, as many exercise solutions. It's free. All right. Cool. Hello world. Okay, let's see. Nice. Nope. Not sure why I had to click on that. Okay, so let's see. I'll run it. Name starts lowercase, source containing definition of the name, main can be because it's not a definition. Or C. Wait, what about the thing we did? So let's say x equals filter. Like, what was the example that was given? That I can probably try out. If I could get started. So this one is filter even 43. Let's get up to 100. Let's go from 20 to, is it 3 dots? To, okay, to 100. Sum x, y equals to this. To 2. Okay, we'll treat this later. Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's go back to this then. Calling a function. They got a name and an expression. Alright, that's not helping me think. Alright, that's a bit too loud. Let's go this one. Somewhere nowhere. Okay. Okay, compiling programs. Object Haskell interface to native execute. Okay, that's cool. We can define the HTML string passed to put Sterling in a new name instead of passing it directly. And you're gonna find above. Okay. Okay, so the way you declare stuff doesn't even matter. Alright, let's save that for later. I don't know, 20. To do that? S, no. S, my string equals high. And like that. Use case camel case. Alright, you guys are camel case. That's fine by me. Get rid of that. Okay. Main.hs. And there's run ghc main.hs. Test.html, and then Firefox test should open up. Folio. Delete everything. Write it. There we go. Functions, types. Okay. define a function, we create what times? We create a definition like we saw previously to the name and before the equal sign. To define a function, we create a definition like we saw previously and add the argument names after the name and before the equal sign. So a function definition is formed from the name and argument and then some expression. Argument names will be available in scope. This is string concatenation, okay. So there's a function called wrap HTML, and it's gonna wrap HTML content equals HTML body content. This isn't a function, right? Okay, so we have this stuff, but this doesn't have any function. Or is that what it returns? Takes one argument named content. Oh. Oh, so this is the definition and this is what the function does. So then can I, how do you call it? Wrap HTML. So. And you do it parentheses to do it like that. So if I can go completely out of order, can I go like out equals to wrap HTML my string? Let's put this at the top just because I can. And then let's put in what did it say about run GHC again? Run GHC. Oh, right. Good. Go. Okay, sure. Run GHC. Okay, everything works just fine. Wow, it's kind of wild that you can do that. Okay, so wrap HTML. Go. Bit of my string. Okay. Well, that's how I'm used to it, anyways. Actually, what are this way I don't have to declare things. I can just do things. I want to print something called out, and what is okay? Yeah, that's okay. That's good. Okay, so this is the function itself. String wraps it. Common case. So like they go like add 3 together, add 3 nums together, and it takes n1, n2, n3 equals n1 plus n2 plus n3. And then I can have a main do, and I can put strlen add nums3 together, 1, 2, 3, they should give 6. Let's see. They're like put char num int up. put int. Sure. Okay, well, we'll figure this out later, right? Three strings, and then let's start like three strings. I buy XXX. I buy XXX. Okay. Let's do that. Okay, let's keep on reading. Okay. Infix. When there are multiple operators in the same expression without parentheses, the operator fixity, left or right, a precedence, a number between which operator binds more tightly. Has right fixity, so Haskell adds an invisible parentheses. Also, like which side it prefers. Alright, that's pretty cool. Separate the functionality of wrap HTML to two functions, one that does HTML and sorry, let's just have that for now, I guess. Okay, so we need to wrap, let's keep it literally then. We're gonna wrap content. Create one which wraps something in something. So you need to have the body. So let's call it wrap body content equals body. And content, see that? Wrap HTML. Do that, body and then HTML. There we go. We got content. So then we have HTML would be equals to content. So what it will do first is that it will wrap body of hi, and then it will pass this in as its argument of wrap HTML. So it'll go for content, so it'll go like this, and then heck yeah, dude. Oh, do that now. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay. That should be pretty easy, yeah. What does the underscore mean? Oh, okay, name the new functions, got it. What is it? HTML underscore body underscore. Got it. I guess I can call this wrap HTML. There we go. Alright, sure. Change my HTML. Our hidden title. Okay, let's go. Let's do head first. So we gotta put a head in. Head. Might be some sort of content. There we go. And then one for title. Slash There we go. In a new function made HTML which takes two strings, my page title, my page content, and then it produces this. Okay, so make HTML is gonna take a title and a content, and it's gonna return two things. So it's gonna do HTML, so we're gonna go from the inside and then we move out. Right, so you get two things. I need to do this, right? So first I can get in the title, which is properly formatted by going title, title. The last statement in the do block must be an expression. Alright, okay, maybe one step at a time. Okay, so title. This will wrap it like that. But next I need to surround it in hid. So like this. After I surround it in hid, I will have this part. Next, I need to get the body done. Then I need to concatenate the body with my page content. So it will deal with this. It will grab this. It will deal this. Well, it will stick this to the end. Just body at the end. So now I can go HTML underscore and put both of these in here. So it will go in. Use make HTML in my HTML. So this will be title content make equals make HTML title content. My page title, my page content. This should just be, what was that? Right, content. Like that. There we go. Then my got it. Put that in there, and then my HTML like that. So my HTML, it takes image HTML, it passes these two in, and then it returns. Okay, the body came first, so that's not right. Yeah, and HTML came up backwards. So let's do it one step at a time. Let's just do that first. Okay, we got the title and we got the head. We got title and we got head. Alright, next up we need to do the content, right? So we put body, content. For HTML, we got body. What does body do? Body puts HTML. Okay. HTML. There you go. Okay, body. What? Oh, cause it has the same name. Okay. So I put HTML content. This is supposed to be body. So now we have head, and then we wrap these two around HTML. Like that. And we got HTML at the front and top. We got head on the title, and then we got body there. Right, let's see how this thing is structured. Okay, so I get the structure right. So you put main, you declare the stuff you want. then what is it called? Main.html. I'm gonna Firefox it. My page content, my page title. Got it. Indent it further. Always use spaces over tabs. Okay, sure, whatever. Well, that's what I use anyways. Do not indent more than once in any given time. When in doubt, drop line as indented as needed and indent once. I don't get it. What does this mean? Completely disregard indentation snaps. Put sterlen wrap HTML hello world. Put sterlen wrap HTML hello world. Alright. That seems kind of difficult to read, no? An error message, okay. Or pass a number instead of a string. Okay, let's test this out. Let's see what. Let's see what you give. Couldn't match expected string key. Only has 2 in expression. Let's see. Couldn't match expected type. The function. 3 arguments. Okay. Let's specify title. We use the double quote. Oh wait, hold on. Haskell is also type inferred, so we don't need to specify the type of expressions. Haskell can infer from the context of the expression what its type should be, and that's what we did up until now. Documentation for others that we'll look at the code later and help agree with what intended. Type signature. With type signature is what was written with the expression. Top level, what's a top level definition? We use double colon to specify names, usually write it right above the definition of the name itself. Integer string is called a unit. The type of a function from an expression of type A to type B. So let's say title, right? And build title string that takes in a string and returns a string. And I go like string. Yeah, I can see why that wouldn't work. Maybe here, maybe at the back. I don't see anywhere else it could fit. Okay, fine. Let's stick with that. Defined at this spot. Alright, does it show up? Is it like triple? Or something? Hi. Alright. Okay, let's go back. Okay, specify the type of make HTML. It takes a string and returns a string and returns another string. It takes 2 strings to return a string, but actually all functions take exactly 1 argument as input and it returns exactly 1 value as an output. It's just rather, actually all functions in Haskell take exactly 1 argument as input and return exactly 1 value as output. It's just convenient to refer to functions like make HTML as functions with multiple inputs. The hell? Okay. In our case, make HTML is a function that takes one string argument and returns a function. The function it returns takes a string argument. So make HTML as a function that takes one string argument and returns a function. What? Make HTML is a function that takes one string argument and returns a function. The function it returns a string argument and returns a string. Let's look at make HTML. Okay, make HTML. Make HTML as a that takes one string argument. Okay. Returns a function. What? Okay. String. I guess I don't need to look too deep into that for now. One that takes a string, the content, the second argument of. One that takes a string, the content, the second argument of make HTML returns. To illustrate, let's define HTML and body in different ways by defining a new function, L. L will take a string, return a string, and then from a function. So it takes a string and returns a string. And then let's say this is a function and converts it to a string. So L takes tag content, it does that in interpolation, and concatenation. Takes tag content wrapped around it, that would be useful. We can now implement by partially applying L and tag. Ooh, okay, that's interesting. So L takes a string and it passes through a function and returns another string, and that function does with it and returns another string. So L takes a tag and a content, and then it takes this tag. Let's close it. We have some content. Close it. Interpolation. Get tag again. Oh my goodness. Having this, the angle bracket, as the whatever you want to call it, the string something, the string like the plus, basically, like the Python equivalent of this, right? Makes it so easy to type. Okay. So now we re-implement HTML. So let's just that, I guess. Okay. And then we go HTML. I define another function. We define HTML, and then we put the definition of HTML. So this one, it just takes a tag, and then for body, it takes a string of string HTML L body be equals to body. How would that work? You didn't need to add the argument on the left side of equal sign, as Haskell functions are first class. Note that we didn't need to add the argument on the left side of the equal sign. The way Haskell treats them is very similar to copy paste. Anywhere you see HTML code, you can replace it with LHTML. To do that, okay, let's say I want to use it. So, Berlin body mesh type string hi. Prints a body of hi. Let's do this, and then let's do that. Look. Wraps it in HTML. And then we go for this, we go for body, sub. So you got HTML body sub. Okay, so head content. Head content, what the hell? Note that we need to add the argument to the left side of the equal sign. First class it. So what this means is that I can do this and it will be the same thing. Why not? So I can do this. So I can shorten it. Because of this. Wait, that's so confusing. That's mind-bending. Oh well, I'll figure this out some other time for lunch. It's been pretty fun actually. This is actually quite intuitive now that I think about it. Except for this part, I don't know.